Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about all these liquid detergents which I have been using for quite some time now, all of these four, and I have come up with certain conclusions based on the type of the usage or the type of the wash, type of the cleaning things which I have been getting out of that. And so I thought of sharing with you guys that which liquid detergent is best, which is economical, and why I use liquid detergents, that too. So if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of such amazing subsequent uploads. So let's dive into the video. So first let me talk about the fact that why I switched to the liquid detergents. So major reason that why I shifted to liquid detergents was that I have been using for washing machine for so many years now, and then I realized one thing, that in washing machines if you use a powder detergent, it leaves a kind of white mark on your dark colored clothes, which is very annoying, and then again you have to wash it off and then clean it. It becomes really tough and time consuming as well. And not that the powder detergents are super cheap or affordable as compared to the liquid detergents which are available out there in the market, which are these which I have been using. And that was my major reason. And another reason which I also read and came to know is that for washing machines, if you are using liquid detergents, that is good for the health of the washing machine as well. So that's been my point, that why I switched completely to liquid detergents. I do not use any kind of powder detergents for my washing machine, and be it automatic, be it semi-automatic, front load, top load. I use a top load washing machine. If you are one using a front load washing machine, whether or even a semi-automatic washing machine, anything for that matter, you should be, for my personal opinion, you should be switching to the liquid detergents. So now I have arranged all of these in the sequence of the price point of view. I'll also say what is economical, which I find is really good for washing clothes and all of that. So let's begin one by one. So first, starting with this one, this is the Ariel Matic liquid. So another thing is that there's something called Matic and there's something called non-Matic liquid detergents also. So for example, this Ariel and this Surf Excel, you'll find the Matic thing written on it. So these two brands, I have seen that they have the non-Matic, even the Safe Wash, they have the non-Matic versions also. So what happens with the Matic version is that it is way more soft and gets absorbed in the water very easily, and that is how it gives a nice wash, nice cleaning effect, and also no residue in the washing machine as tub as well as in the clothes. So that is the reason, again, even in the category of liquid soaps, you should be choosing Matic liquids detergents as compared to the non-Matic ones. So the first, coming to the Ariel one, this is the costliest of all of the things which I have it here. This is for 1 liter, it retains for 230 rupees, and Ariel, as we know, is a age-old brand, and this is a Matic liquid detergent, and I got it from Amazon. So my personal opinion about this, you can see this has a very liquidy kind of a texture. So in my personal opinion, it is required in very less quantity, so, and gives a very nice cleaning effect. But the only point is that when you go for buying it, it is hardly available on offer, whether be it online or be it offline, and you have to pay like 230 rupees for 1 liter, which is a little on the higher side as compared to the rest of the things which I'm going to discuss with you. So this is my definitely one of my favorite, but compared to the price point, I would suggest you something more better than this one as well. So, and this can be used for woolen clothes as well as a regular normal clothes as well. It cleans really well, whether be the tough the stuff stains from the clothes or your towels or things like that, or even the mild sweaters that you want to clean. The Ariel detergent can be used quite quite easily with both. So next, coming to the Safe Wash. This I got from the store. This is available in a lot of stores. It's a product of Vipro brand, and this is available in, I got it offline, not seen really it online, but you can check it out. So this is again a Matic liquid detergent for, again this is 1 liter, and it is priced at rupees 209. You can see 1 liter price at rupees 209. So this is not as thin as liquidy as Ariel. It is quite thick in consistency, and I'll show you. So it is thick in consistency, and also see, and also it is required in a quite little larger amount quantity than as compared to the Ariel which I recently spoke about. So this has a nice smell, this clean swell and all of that, but for the price, again this is required in the larger quantity, and so it gets over really fast. So again, if you have some better option, I would again suggest do not go for this one, because though it's good, it gets over fast, and considering the price point of it, you have to buy it very frequently as compared to the other ones. So, and this can be also used for both the woolen garments and as well as your normal regular clothes. But what I have seen is that if you are using it on the woolen garments, it is leaving a little fuss on the woolen clothes, and that is why I stopped using this one for the woolen garments specifically. I use it only for the regular normal wash. So this is my second one. The one which I completely swear by, and I would recommend you all to try this one out of everything which I have right here, is the Surf Excel Matic Liquid. This is a top load wala, because this is, I have a completely automatic top load washing machine. This is priced at rupees 209 rupees for 1.02 liters, and which is way economical as compared to the Safe Wash and the Ariel which I spoke just now. So this one is not very liquidy, it's not very thin, it is a very in between kind of a consistency. It has a very nice smell. It can be used for regular washing or even the the tough stains as well. But yeah, again, this I completely swear by for my daily wash, but I do not use it for my winter garments, because it's a bit harsh on the winter garments as well. Again, like the Safe Wash, it leaves a kind of that white fuss kind of a thing on the winter garments. So it is advisable that you don't use it for either of it for the winter garments. Use it for the normal regular wash on a daily basis. The last one in my list is this Easy. This is again from the age old brand, which is specifically made for the winter wears and the chiffons and silk. It is extremely gentle, extremely mild. It is priced at rupees 175 rupees for 1 kg, which is very economical, and this has a very nice mild smell. This can be used for the winter garments nicely, and it is perfect for the winter woolen garments. But for normal regular wash, this is not advisable, because it is being so mild, it is not able to clean my clothes properly, which I have seen over the period of time. It does not clean my regular clothes very nicely if used for the normal hard stains or things like that. So based on all of this which I have today, I would recommend Ariel for sure if you have a little higher budget for both winter garments as well as the regular clothes. And if you are looking only for the regular clothes, do go for the Surf Excel Matic one. I'll also give you the link of the Surf Excel Matic's 2-liter pouch, which is extremely economical. This one is priced, as I told you, it's priced at rupees 209 for 1.02 liter. But that pouch which I got from Amazon, it was priced at rupees, I think the discounted price was rupees 320 for a 2-liter pouch, and the pouch is always very economical. I have not found pouch for Ariel as such yet, so I have to still search for it, but I have recently only ordered this and I'm completely loving it. So this and these are my regular daily use things. This being a little on the costlier side, I use it when I have a whole lot of nice clothes which I am putting in the washing machine. But definitely for my recommendation, I would definitely be recommending you you buy the Ariel one if you have a higher budget. It can be used for hard stains as well as the soft woolen garments, both of it. And if you are looking for the normal daily wash detergent liquids, you go for the Surf Excel one. Otherwise, like, all of these four are really good, but my personal recommendation says so. So yeah, that's all about the today's video. Hope it was informative for you and hope you liked it, and please do let me know in the comment section below if you have something else in your mind, or any video recommendations, or any other detergents also. If you are using it, the liquid detergents which you are using it and you liked it really, do let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, that's all about my today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So bye bye, take care, stay tuned till my next upload.